This is my 1949 Studebaker 2R5 truck that my sister and I are in the process of restoring. And today I just wanted to talk about how I installed the rear brake lines. The tools that I used for this entire project of replacing the brake lines was this pipe bender, tubing bender that I got right here. Got another one right here with those claws. Those are the two that I used. I got a tube cutter, and then I have the double flaring tool kit that I got from Harbor Freight. On the driver's side rear axle, I used two 8-inch pieces of 3/16-inch brake line. The first piece I used from the wheel cylinder, took and bent it down, bent it again to go with the axle. Then I connected it here with the union to my other 8-inch piece, which then ran over to my junction T found on the rear axle. For the passenger side rear brake line, I ended up using a 51-inch long 3/16-inch brake line. And as you can see, I came from the wheel cylinder, brought it out 90° down, then 90° over, and as I brought it over to the differential right here, you can see I've kind of brought it back up, followed over, followed it back down, ended up branching off and connecting it here to this junction T on the rear axle. This rear flex line connects the hard brake line that goes up to the master cylinder with this junction T down here, and this is where it goes, and you can see where it connects. This hard line here is actually a 60-inch line that I bought 3/16. It connects here where the flexible hose is, and as you can see, I moved it up. I bent it probably at about a 45-degree angle here, and then bent it again and moved it along the frame. You can see it moving down the frame. You can see where I connected it here, and then it does move on down. That 60-inch line continues to move onto the frame. You can see where I got another connection here to hold it and anchor down. It ends right here, and then what I'm going to connect is about a 6-inch piece of line here, and this is going to get connected to my Turner master cylinder line system. Hopefully this will help somebody else out there. Thank you very much, and bye.